Good morning, year two. It's Monday, the 11th of January. So if you're doing this recording today, it will be lesson 4 of our English work. And if you can remember last time when I played the video, I condensed lesson 3, 4, and 5, I think, into one lesson, didn't I? Because when I looked at it, I thought, no, that's not going to all fit in to 3 different lessons, so we've changed that to one lesson. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to read you this part where I put it as lesson 3 because I actually pressed this, didn't I? And if you type that in at home into your thing, it will play it, but because Mrs. Cochran pressed it on here, it was really quiet because it was playing on my laptop as well, so it couldn't pick up the sound properly. Okay, so I'm just going to read this piece of information for you. Rainbows. A rainbow is an arc of colour in the sky that can be seen when the sun comes out during or after a rainstorm. How a rainbow is formed. A rainbow is formed when a person sees the sun or a light source shining through the raindrops. This type of rainbow is formed when sunlight strikes raindrops at a 42-degree angle in front of the people looking at it. Let's go down here, see if this is working. When the light strikes the drops, it changes and splits into colours, called a spectrum. These colours are bounced back to us so that we can see a rainbow. This is what we see, isn't it? The colours of a rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Where are rainbows? The rainbow is an optical illusion, which means that it tricks your eyes so that what you think you see is different from what is really there. That's amazing, isn't it? It tricks your eyes so you're seeing something that isn't really there, and it's to do with how the raindrops and what angle they're on when the sun is shining. That's why people say sometimes when it's sunny and raining, they say, oh, we might see a rainbow. And it's because you need the sunlight and the raindrops to be able to have that optical illusion. That's amazing, isn't it? Rainbows are not in a fixed spot in the sky, as the appearance of a rainbow depends on where the person is seeing it and where the light is. Rainbows are actually full circles, but viewers on the ground can only see them above the horizon. What's the horizon? What do we think the horizon is? Have a talk to the person next to you about what you think the horizon is, or talk to your grown-up at home. Okay, because we need to find that information, don't we? Fascinating fact. A moonbow, also called a lunar rainbow, is a rainbow that is produced by light from the moon. I didn't know that. Oh, look here. It's got, so the words, if you notice the words here that are in bold, so optical illusion, horizon, they are, oh, what's happened here? They are in our glossary, which are what the words mean. So look here, arc, a part of a line that forms the outside of a circle. Light source, the place or the thing where you get light from. Horizon, the line in the far distance where the sky seems to meet the land or sea. Oh, so if you ever go for a walk anywhere and you can see loads of land, maybe it would be good if you could see what is on the horizon. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? What can you see? Where can you see the land and the sky where they seem to meet? Where's that meeting point? A spectrum, the range of different colours that you get when light passes through a glass prism through a drop of water. Maybe you could have a look at what the word prism is. We'll be doing in maths, okay? Then your challenge last week was to do this, was to fill out these, wasn't it? Fill out all these different bits of information to see what you could see and write these into 4 separate sentences. So you needed to look at the questions and you needed to go back and read all of that information and find that out, okay? Now your challenge today is this: to read the glossary and check you understand the definitions, so you understand what those words mean. So see if you can do these mini challenges. So it's got here, use the text to help you write your own definition of optical illusion. So you could write what the word optical illusion means in your own words, okay? So what did we say it meant, optical illusion? Shall we go? Right, I'm going to go back and I'm going to find where it says optical illusion. And I think, oh, where was it? I haven't found it. It's not there. It's not there. Here. Where are rainbows? The rainbow is an optical illusion, which means that it tricks your eyes. So what you see is different to what is really there. So you see if you can put that in your own words. An optical illusion is, so that's what I'd like you to start that sentence is, an optical illusion is, you could write something that tricks your eyes because something isn't really there. Draw an arc. So have a go here at drawing an arc. Write down or draw as many light sources that you can think of. So we need to go back up because I'm thinking here, what is a light source? Okay, can't quite remember, so I'm going to go back up here to see what it said. A light source. Well, I can find it in the glossary, what the words mean, the place or thing where you get light from. Talk to the person next to you about where you think you might get some light from. Give you a couple of minutes. You can pause this video if you want while you think of it. Okay, so I've got one. A light source could be, I'll see if I can show you this now. A lamp. It's a lamp. It's a light. That's where the light is coming from, isn't it? So we could get a light from a bulb, couldn't we? Yeah. Turn that off now. I might keep it on actually. We could also get light from the sunshine, couldn't we? Oh gosh, nearly dropped my computer then. So we could get the light from the sun. The sun is a light source, isn't it? Can we think of any other light sources? Okay, so have a go at that. Then question 4. Use your careful looking size skills to find the photograph on page 4 taken by Italo Mello. Find the horizon and show someone at home, or if you're in school, show someone in the classroom what the horizon is, and can you explain what it means? So I need to find the photo on page 4. So that's page 7. This is page 6. This is page 5. And this is page 4. Let me go have a look. Right, okay. I can see the photo here. And I'm going to look at what the horizon, what I can see in the horizon. So you can talk to your partner now and talk to somebody at home what you think you can see on here and write that down as a full sentence, okay? So you can pause this video here if you want, or you can have a look at this picture in your work pack, can't you? Okay. So I'll also go down and so you can pause it on the questions as well, just in case you haven't got the work pack in front of you. So we've got these questions here, so you can pause it here as well to look at the questions if you need them. Okay, and then I'll go down and you can pause that there as well so you can see that. Oh, I have to move this so you can see this question as well, okay? Yeah, so that is our lesson today, lesson 4, okay? So that is lesson 4. I don't know if you want to put a note at the top of that, okay? And you might be doing it today on Monday, or you might be doing it a different day, okay? But I'd like you to try and keep up with the work that's on each day, because it'll just be easier for you to then do, okay? Have a lovely day, and I shall see you all soon. Okay, bye. See you later.